Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Instagram display only translated closed captions, perfect if you watch videos in other languages and want a clean, focused caption experience. This is the updated method for 2026, so you'll be learning the most current way to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to your account and that the app is updated to the latest version. Once you're on your home screen, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, look at the top right corner of your profile page and tap the menu icon, that's the three horizontal lines. This will open your main settings menu where you can find all your privacy, account, and accessibility options. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. This is where Instagram stores features that help personalize how you interact with posts, videos, and captions across the app. Inside Accessibility, look for the option called Captions and tap on it. You'll see a few settings related to how captions are displayed in videos and reels. Now, select Only Show Translated Closed Captions. This option filters captions so that you'll only see translations of spoken content in languages different from your own, instead of showing every single caption on screen. It keeps your viewing experience simple and free of distractions. Once you've turned that on, you're all set. Go back and play any video or reel, you'll notice that only translated captions appear when needed. It's a subtle but powerful feature, especially if you enjoy global content or follow creators who post in different languages.